Hello, welcome back to Capsim, Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips of win on round, lesson 5. You can check the other video for lesson from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 15 lesson, right? Lesson 5. So capacity analysis and automation. This is very important. Yeah, it's also say one of the most important decisions to win the good results. So you see on the screen here we have five key decisions: R&D, marketing, and now we check the production. For production, we need to check the sales forecast here, and then we have the inventories here, and then we come to production schedule. By deduct sales forecast and inventory, we have production schedule, and then we know that the capacity here we can produce 2 shifts, 200% of the capacity. So yeah, we analyze, compare with the demand here and the capacity. We sell the surplus capacity because we don't need that much. For example, for traditional, we need only 1,600, so we don't need too much. We need 1,200 because with the capacity of 1,200 we can produce 2,400, right? So we sell the surplus capacity, but for the low end we need more capacity because we have only 1,400 when the demand is 2,900, so we need to buy more, but we have the limit for the budget here. So each round we need to balance between the increase the capacity, reduce the capacity of the surplus. Actually we do that only in round one time, and buy more in all the rounds. So we need to increase capacity for all the other rounds and increase automation in all the other rounds to have higher quality product and lower the production cost and increase the contribution margin here, right? So that's very important. We check the cost and then we get the contribution margin here, right? So that's overview of the capacity analysis and automation. If you have any question, you send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. And you also can check the other video from lesson 1 to lesson 15 to win the game and understand the game. If you follow the right strategy, you can increase the sale like you see on the screen, right? So just spend time to watch on the lesson. You see that understanding the game as important as winning the game. You learn to showing you the learn to own the decision. What decision to make for each round, what report to read, what part of the report more important, how to update the product, how to set the price, how to calculate the sales forecast, okay, how to set decision for production, and how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM in the next video. If you need more support, you can send the email to get the support for 8 rounds and Q&A for 20 and 7. When you have any question. We are following the top 10 winning tips from round 1 to round 8, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.